everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making all-time favorite banana bread and I'm going to share my favorite way of making a banana bread. And make sure you tap the subscribe button in the section below so you don't miss any of my next videos. Let's get baking. We will start with preheating our oven to 200 degrees Celsius. For this recipe we would need 3 medium-sized bananas, 1.5 cups of flour, 1/3 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/3 of sugar. I'm using a brown sugar, oil, baking powder, ground cinnamon, pinch of salt and 2 large eggs. I'll start with mixing all the dry ingredients first. Flour, sugar, baking powder, ground cinnamon, pinch of salt, and of course rolled oats. Rolled oats soak up all the moisture and they make banana bread really soft. And with a spatula, just mix all the dry ingredients together so they well combined. So now you can't have banana bread without bananas. I will use overripe bananas. They don't look like for eating, but they're just perfect for banana bread. 3 large banana, I need to peel them. And add to the bowl. I'm gonna take a fork and mash them really well. So it's our mashed bananas. Now we're gonna add rest of the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, milk and oil. Now mix all together. Looking good. Now we're gonna add dry ingredients into here. So adding my dry ingredients. Just mix all together until well combined. Make sure you don't overmix. So now I will pour my mixture into prepared loaf pan. Just start pouring it.
Now it's time to add nuts, raisins or berries. I've decided to add raspberries at the last moment.
So now it's ready to go into my preheated oven for about 30 to 40 minutes.
My kitchen filled with a smell of delicious banana cinnamon goodness. Let's cut and see how it looks inside. It is amazing, look at that. This is my favorite banana bread recipe and the butter is ready just in 10 minutes and you will have this perfect banana bread without too much moisture inside. I really guys hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, please comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos. Thank you.